Thirikari kugerera ministry ya migunda ni yanereire kuhukia uhuthiri wa mbeca baribari ari njira ya kuhurana na ungumania ministry-ini ino. Ikinya riri yanereirwo ni minister wa migunda ZACK NJERU uria ugite mubango uyu ni ukinyaniire county-ini ya Nairobi riu makirongoreria gukinyira county ciothe 47.
There has been a lot of noise, but we can all agree that of late the Ministry and State Department of Lands and Physical Planning has been doing a lot to make sure that service delivery is done quickly, is done efficiently, and that way we make our citizens happy.
We want to go cashless in all our registries. What is happening now is that at the headquarters here, we've rolled out cashless. We've been doing that for the last 3 weeks. And the Metropolitan. So if you go to Kiambu, if you go to Machakos, if you go to Kajiado, and the registries that are within the Metropolitan, we have already piloted and rolled out cashless.
Ministry ino ningi nerirukite itanya ria guthamiria motungata mayo nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria ari njira ya kunina turia nime turia tukoretwo tugitongia na mbeca cia muingi.
On digitization, we know this is an exercise that the government is keen on, and I want to announce that we are doing very well. We are almost through with Nairobi.
We want to do that to ensure that we mitigate a lot of loss of revenue. But most importantly, we have realized that there is normally middlemen. There are many middlemen that stand between the members of the public and the registry. For a service that we offer at 500 shilling, you'll realize the members of the public are being charged close to 5,000 for that service by the middlemen in the middle between the public and the members of the public. And therefore, members of the public will pay the actual figure, because that one you'll pay to the government.
Mubango wa guthamiria motungata ma ministry ino nenda-ini wambiriirie mwaka-ini wa 2018 no gicoka ukigumirwo ni mihinga miingi na niguo gukinyaniria kioneki giki ministry ni iruguritie ikundi 8 cia guthurima register ciothe cia migunda guothe bururi-ini.
We are sure that with this exercise, and we are hoping after the 2 weeks, we are going to get good reports that will make us improve on where we have been slow, where we've not been doing things right. So the
uthurimi wa register kuringana na minister ukorwo githie na mbere kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14 timu ici cikiregererwo kurekereria riboti ya uria sector ya migunda ikaire.
We need to scan all the documents that we have in our registries and be available on the EDMS platform. That is the electronic platform, such that if anything was to happen like that happened in Nyando, where our registry got banned and we lost all the documents, we should be able to reconstruct immediately, because we will be having the scanned documents.
Tabarĩra ĩno yakinyanĩra minister oigĩte nĩ kũhũthĩria akenya wĩra hĩndĩ ya gwetha motungata wabici-inĩ ciao. Mwandĩki mũkaru ministry-inĩ ya migunda Nixon Koriri akiuga nĩ mekwandĩka aruti wĩra erũ nĩguo kũgacĩrithia wĩra wao.
We got approvals from Treasury to employ another extra 100 valuers. Currently we have 53 valuers in the entire country.
Ribotera Kameme TV, Jeta Getau wa Wanjikũ.